I think that this is how it's gonna be.
Get this out of the box. Pull it. Can you pull it?
We have to build it.
Yeah. And yeah, we have to build it. It's all the pieces and parts. I think it's part of a boat. What? Only one monster truck, but it's still a good one. That's the Megalodon, yeah? Mommy-o, that's me, the instruction. The Mega Launcher. But we need to put everything together. We need to get these ones out. Oh, what? Right into the wall. That's so exciting. Whoa. Wait, how to? I think the other way. The door is looking there. Get it in, yes. Oh, wow, that was crazy fun. Guys, you can do it. Yeah, and face forward. Yeah, go for it. Wow, this is awesome. The ship, the mast. How? That's how it's supposed to go. And let's do it again. We can do many tries. Go for it, Kyrie. Yeah. You try. Whoa! Oh, it didn't make it. It crashed. Megalodon crashed.
Why is it never my turn?
It will be your turn right now.
Bongo.
Yeah. You did it again. Let's do it. Let's do it. What is this doing over here? Wow. That is so cool. Whoa. Will it do the loop? Oh, no.
I'll take
Yeah.
6.
Yes. No, this one didn't. Awesome. And we are going to try them. Oh, this one is facing the other way. Wait. Try them all. And where's the other one? What's going on? Flag. Ready? Ooh.
And then stand here, Monjam.
Stand there, Monjam. Stand there then. And the flag is missing. He's holding on. Ready for the loop?
He's
Whoa! Yeah. Hey. Doing. Whoa!
no.
Backflip. It's a painted sand. There's a monster truck, tire, and treasure chest. Yeah, all painted, of course. Plastic painted.
How about like that?
How about like that?
What about the
What about wood with another one? Oh, what?
crushed off
Bongo.
He crushed off the side.
He crushed. What? Okay.
A little more.
A little more.
Hey!
Here you go. You little rascal. Wow, it's amazing. Gee.
Little rascal.
Little rascal. He's a good boy. Boomba. Boomba is a good boy.
It's rascal boy.
Oh, what? Try again.
It's a rascal boy. I'm trying to.
You think like that? Oh, no. Doink.
My turn.
It didn't do the job. Tamara never has any turns because we don't like to share. Go for it.
Let me do 2.
8 turns, all right. 1, 2. He still has none of these ones get a chance to. Maybe I can do it while you're fighting. Launch. Oh no! How about this one? How y'all is a great one. Also smashed. And what about that? Oh, they're all crashing. Loco Punk. He did it on the wheels.
Oh, that's 2 more.
You have 2 more? It's a drug bus? No. Oh, he made a great one. This one is actually a very cool truck. Also
Backwards.
Is someone making a trap over here? I don't know if it's going to hold. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow, where is it? The trap is set on the way. Ooh, Uppa! The trap was not stable.
Monster jam.
Monster jam!